How to mute yourself during a call on Signal. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you are using Signal and want to mute yourself during a video or voice call, firstly open up the Signal application on your device and sign in. Now go ahead and open up any contact or a group conversation where you want to join a voice or video call. Open up any groups or contacts and tap on the video call icon at the top right corner or the audio call icon at the top right corner. And while you're inside the call, locate the microphone icon at the bottom center and tap on it. Once you tap on the microphone option, it will be crossed out with a single line and the microphone will be turned off. Now you can continue listening to the conversation while your microphone remains off. If you ever want to unmute your microphone, tap on the microphone icon once again. And now, that's how you can easily mute yourself during a call on Signal. Muting your microphone only prevents others from hearing you. You'll still be able to hear everyone else's voice on the call unless you also mute your device's speaker or lower the call volume. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.